Bounty has not aged. He looks great. Belated happy birthday to you, Mr. Price, from the entire Intense team. Now, coming off a party like that, you know we got lots of events just for you coming up. Here's the Intense party listing. Ladies, what's going on?
This Barbie Fete will be held on the school grounds on June 23rd. Tickets are available at Yak Pharmacy, Dunrobin Gas Station, the PTA office at school, and if you know a Melgrove student, you can also ask them to purchase the ticket for you.
Okay, cool. So how much is the ticket?
The tickets are going for $2,000, but we have a promotion where $1,500 you can obtain a ticket for the event.
So what's going on?
Fresh Cash will be on Waltham Park 101. It will be on June 24, 2017. We'd like everybody to get there just to enjoy.
Right, so what is going to make Fresh Cash intense?
Well, I guess you'll have to come and see it.
So I have Subhadra with me, and she's going to tell us about Kingston Yoga Fest.
Yes, Kingston Yoga Fest is happening June 24th, Saturday, at Spanish Court Hotel at the Worthington property. And it's going from 6 a.m. till 11 p.m. at night.
Nice.
And we have a bunch of different programs involved.
We always say party intensely, but please drink responsibly. Do not drink and drive. Up next, the Intense in 10 and an interview you do not want to miss. Intense, hot ya now, soon forward.